define the term mixture. Okay. So a mixture is a substance that contains two or more substances together in any proportion. Okay, so if I had ethanol and water, I could have 99% ethanol, 1% water. I could have 99% water, 1% ethanol, and anywhere in between. 50-50, 45-65, doesn't matter. Any proportion. A mixture has a composition that can vary, so you can change the mixture. So for instance, my ethanol water mixture, I could have 50-50, then add more ethanol and get 60-40, add more ethanol and get 70-30. I can keep changing it. Whereas a compound, you can't change what's in a compound. You're stuck with whatever it is. Okay? Components that are not chemically combined together. So that's another key point. The components are not chemically bonded. So the ethanol and water are not chemically bonded together. You can separate them quite easily. Again, so here you go. Components that can be separated out relatively easily by physical changes. So either by evaporating, sieving, decanting, using a magnet, or centrifuging. So you can separate them with physical changes. So that's an easy one. And the properties can vary. So with a compound, the properties are the same. Any compound that has the name X will have the same properties as X. Whereas a mixture of certain things may have different properties depending on its composition. So let's take salt water for an example. Salt water can conduct electricity very well if there's a lot of salt. Or it can conduct electricity very badly if there's not a lot of salt. So you can see that the properties have changed straight away. So you can see that the properties can vary, but sodium chloride will not conduct in solid state regardless of how much sodium chloride you have. Okay, so there's the difference. Okay. Part B. Use this definition to justify the classification of rock as a mixture, so just any rock. Well, a rock consists of a mixture of chemicals called minerals. These minerals can be different in different rocks and can be in any proportion. So the composition of rocks can vary. Its properties are the properties of its components. So a rock's strength will be related to the strength of its components. And the minerals are not chemically combined with each other, so they can be separated out by physical methods. So the components can actually be crushed, and you can actually separate them out by using different methods quite easily. So that's why a rock is generally considered a mixture.